All right, 6:30 Monday morning, 16th of December, 2024. In about 15 days, everybody gets a reset for 2025. What are you going to do differently? What 3 things are you going to do differently? For me personally, focus on my health, work out more, business-wise, continue to build new relationships with new customers, and number 3, to just prioritize more on my business, to be more organized and to establish deadlines. What 3 things are you going to do differently in 2025? Got 15 days to focus on it. I'm going to go in here and get this workout in. I'll catch you all on the next one. Make it a productive day.